Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the three US major indices, starting off here with the S&P 500. But just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my trading signal group and receiving my own personal trades that I place on my own trading portfolio/account, then make sure you scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can sign up. It takes a matter of minutes to get involved. But let's get started here with the S&P 500. Currently find ourselves trading at 4,760. It was only yesterday around this area here at around 4,740 where I said, buy the dip yesterday. And if you'd have done so, well, then you'd be in profit right now because the market's trading significantly high up around 4,763. This is a good start. I do expect us to go and create a brand new all-time high. There was a headline this morning about the nickel, the Japanese nickel, Nikkei, high, I should say, that just hit a brand new 33-year high. So I think the S&P 500 is going to hit a brand new all-time high in the coming days and weeks ahead. And I think that this market still has, from a percentage perspective, a further, let's say 1% move higher left to go. Moving over to Nasdaq100, very similar to the S&P 500, we've clearly seen a minor bottom here, and we continue to accelerate towards the upside. This has been because of stocks like Nvidia, for example, that's had a brand new all-time high up at again another 2% today, trading at just shy of 550 now. So I do expect this to continue moving high, and I think if Apple could regain some of its losses, obviously that stock's down around 10% for the year, but if we can see Apple regain its losses, then of course that could potentially give the Nasdaq100 and of course the S&P 500 a boost higher. Moving over to the DowJones30, Dow currently trading at 37,563. We haven't really done much consolidating here. RSI is trading lower, but you could argue that there is some bearish divergence going on here, which could potentially lead to a further move lower here for the DowJones30. One thing that I want you all to be very cautious about going into tomorrow's trading session is the CPI whisperer on Wall Street, is that number is going to come in a little bit stronger than expected. So let's just see how the market reacts to that inflation report. We saw it over in Europe. We had inflation come in at 2.9% versus 2.4% in the month prior. So we're starting to see CPI tick up higher, and of course that could potentially trim expectations for rate cuts. At the moment, the market has 5 to 6 cuts priced in, but it could be that we only see 3 to 4, maybe even less, maybe 2 to 3, and of course the market would then have to give back some of its gains to price that in, of course. That's it for today's video. Make sure you scan this QR code on your screen to join my signal service, and I look forward to welcoming you all over on Telegram.